The Digital Atlas of Dungarvan is an interactive map that explores the built heritage of the town. It can be accessed from any digital device, including mobile phones, tablets, laptops and desktops. A series of tutorial videos have been created to show what can be revealed about Dungarvan and its history when you explore the layers of the Digital Atlas. Getting Going Basic Map Functions is the first tutorial in the series. The aim is to help you get started with the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan. To access the atlas, go to www.ria.ie/digital-atlas-dungarvan, which is the homepage for the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan. Scroll down, click on the link, and you will be taken to the Digital Atlas. The first thing you will see is an information box, which displays in the centre of your screen. This describes the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan and provides links to useful information. You can scroll down the box to learn more about the project. To close the information box, click on the blue OK button in the bottom right-hand corner. You will now be able to see the home page of the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan. You will see a modern map of the town. Created by Ordnance Survey Ireland, this map serves as a base map. It acts as the background to the content that is included in the Digital Atlas. The other maps and information contained in the Digital Atlas is stored in layers which can be switched on and off depending on what information you wish to view. Before you start exploring the layers, it is useful to familiarise yourself with the atlas and its context. From the top of the page, you can navigate to useful information about the Digital Atlas project. About tells you about the Digital Atlas itself. From the user guide link, you can access a PDF showing you how to use the atlas. All the information that is described in these videos is provided there so that you can follow along step by step. In the sources section, we provide you with more detailed information on maps included and about the sources that the author John Martin used when researching the atlas. Finally, in the More About section, we explain how the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan fits into the Irish Historic Towns Atlas project, which itself is part of a broader European Towns Atlas project. Now it's time to start looking at the map more closely. The first thing you will want to do is navigate your way around the map. The area to the east of the Colligan River is known as Abbeyside. Perhaps you want to take a closer look there. This would be easier if you could place Abbeyside at the centre of your screen. To do this, place your cursor on the map and hold down the left mouse button. With the button still held, drag your mouse to move the map around. Release the button when you have the map in the position you want. Abbeyside is now in the centre of your screen. You will notice a cluster of red points at the centre of the screen. To investigate these further, you will need to zoom into the map. To do this, you will need the zoom widget. On the page, you can see a number of different icons. Each of these represents a tool or widget to help you navigate the site. In this tutorial, we are examining some of the key tools as a starting point. You can learn more about the others in subsequent tutorials. The zoom widget is found to the top left-hand corner of the atlas, represented by a plus and a minus sign. To zoom into the map, press on the plus sign, and to zoom out, you can use the minus sign. To see what a point is referring to, click on it. You can see one says St. Augustine's Church. If you think you would be interested in returning to this site in the course of your research, you can bookmark it. Zoom into the site, click on the book widget to the top left-hand side of the page. This opens the bookmark widget. Click on Add and your point will display with bookmark written next to it. Change this to read St. Augustine's Church and click elsewhere in the box to save. You can edit the name of the bookmark by clicking on the pencil and you can delete it by clicking on the cross symbol. The bookmark will be saved in your web browser's cache and will only be removed after you clear your browser cache, unless you delete it from within the widget. To return the map to its original extent, click on the house icon in the top left-hand corner of your screen. You can now test your bookmark. Click on the book symbol and then select your St. Augustine's Church bookmark. You will be taken to St. Augustine's Church. You can practice using these tools by going to the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan for yourself. You can also download instructions from our user guide. The link is at the top of the page. Or take a look at our next tutorial, Navigating the Maps, in which we will show you how to use the historic map layers.